adventure, inspiration, opportunity. There's a place along Maine's coast that embodies those words. A place where the excitement of the great outdoors meets the charm of small-town New England. The University of Maine at Machias, a regional campus of the University of Maine. Nestled between Maine's stunning bold coast and the forests of the interior, our intimate setting offers the feel and kinship of a private institution with the affordability of a public university. From marine biology to education and the arts, our world-class academics lay the foundation for your future with hands-on learning from day one. That's because we're an inclusive family who strive to develop a brighter future, to explore the bounds of the unknown, and build connections that last a lifetime. This is the University of Maine at Machias.